नमस्कार, वेलकम टू मात्री एकेडमी। अब इसी सीरीज़ को आगे बढ़ाते हुए हम चैप्टर 4 के शॉर्ट नोट्स डाल रहे हैं। चैप्टर 4 का टॉपिक है लिपिड एंड फैटी एसिड्स। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। लिपिड्स आर a structurally diverse group of biological compounds characterized by their solubility in organic solvents such as chloroform, ether and benzene and their insolubility in water. Fatty acids are defined as those monocarboxylic acid which are more soluble in organic solvent than in water. Their chemical formula is CH3CH2X COOH, where C may be 4 to 30 atoms. Saturated fatty acids में आते हैं ब्यूटारिक एसिड, लॉरिक एसिड, मिर्स्टिक एसिड, पाल्मिटिक एसिड एंड स्टीयरिक एसिड। इसमें कार्बन चेन है C4, C12, C14, C16, C18. In saturated fatty acid, there is no double or triple bond. In unsaturated fatty acids are oleic acid C18:1, 18:1 means मतलब उसके बीच में हमारा डबल बॉन्ड है। लिनोलिक एसिड, लिनोलिनिक एसिड एंड आर्किडोनिक एसिड। ARS 2005 का क्वेश्चन है। हमारा ओलिक एसिड में बॉन्ड है C18:1 का, लेनिक एसिड में बॉन्ड प्रेजेंट है 18:2 एंड आर्किडोनिक एसिड में प्रेजेंट है C20:4 में। These four are categorized as essential fatty acids. Unsaturated fatty acids are more abundant in nature than the saturated fatty acids. Oleic acid, linoleic acid and linoleic acid. आर्किडोनिक एसिड में C20 है, कार्बन 20 है। ओलिक एसिड में कार्बन 18 से एटम है। लिनोलिक एसिड में कार्बन 18 एटम है विथ 1 डबल बॉन्ड एट 18:2। कार्बन स्केलेटन ऑफ लिनोइक एसिड इज C18.3। ICR JRF का क्वेश्चन है जिसको कि हम इस तरह से डिनोट करते हैं 18:3। और हमारा जो है वो कहाँ पे अनसैचुरेशन है तो 9, 12 एंड 15 पे। कैलोरी वैल्यू ऑफ 1 ग्राम ऑफ फैट इज 9.3 कैलोरीज। आयोडीन वैल्यू कैन बी यूज्ड एज अ मेजर ऑफ डिग्री ऑफ अनसैचुरेशन ऑफ अ फैटी एसिड. Average molecular weight of a fatty acid can be found by the saponification value. ARS 2005 question. Saponification value is defined as the mg of potassium hydroxide required to neutralize fatty acid released from hydrolysis of 1 gram of fat. More than half of the fatty acid in plants are unsaturated fatty acid. Rapeseed oil is rich in erucic acid while coconut oil is rich in the caproic acid. Chloroplast membranes are rich in glycolipids and also in sulfonolipids. The main sterol in animal is cholesterol, discovered in 18th century as a major component of gallstones. Beta-cetosterol is the major plant sterol. Ergosterol is found in yeast. Which lipid and amino acids are amphipathic nature? The answer is cholesterol and phenylalanine, and it is a question of ICR JRF 1999. Among fat, carbohydrate and protein, fats store the maximum energy. Lipid present in plastial membrane are galactolipids. Fatty acid biosynthesis take place in mitochondrial matrix. Question asked in IRI 2003 and ARS 2007. The enzyme involved in fatty acid biosynthesis is acetyl coenzyme reductase. The 16C palmitoyl ACP is unable to accept malonyl ACP, and above this carbon, the enzyme which lengthen the chain are present at the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So a smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved in fatty acid synthesis. Mammals cannot add double bonds to fatty acid above C9 as they lack in such enzymes. So they have to be supplemented with essential fatty acid from outside food. Ketone bodies are acetoacetate, acetone and beta hydroxybutyrate produced in kidney and liver when fats takes leading role in metabolism in the absence of carbohydrate. The degradation of fat takes place through glyoxylate cycle. IRI 2000 question. TCA cycle enzymes are found in the matrix of mitochondria. IRI 2003 question. Fatty acid breakdown occur in cytosol of prokaryotes and in mitochondrial matrix of eukaryotes. The process of beta oxidation and TCA cycle take place in the mitochondrial matrix. Electron transport change in the inner surface of inner membrane of mitochondria and glycolysis take place in the cytosol. ARS 2007 question. Mitochondrial matrix contain the enzyme for oxidation of amino acid and fatty acid and the enzyme of Krebs cycle, whereas the enzyme for electron transport chain and that of the oxidative phosphorylation are located in the Christie membrane, inner membrane of the mitochondria. That is question asked in IRI 2003, ARS 2004. Glycerol is obtained from hydrogenation of acid. ICAR GRF 2003 question. Acetic acid is a dibasic acid. These all are the short notes about the lipids, and these are the enough for your exam. So आप इसको देखिए और नेक्स्ट हमारे सीरीज़ का इंतज़ार कीजिए जो हमारा चैप्टर 5 है वो अमीनो एसिड एंड प्रोटीन्स पर होने वाला है. सो अच्छे से तैयारी कीजिए एंड ट्यून टू माय चैनल एंड नॉट फॉरगेट to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.